Hey, this is Scott Denton, and I'm here to basically say what ZBrush means to me. To me, it means 18 years of a career. I've got to work in video games, 3D printing, VR, AR, um, architecture, sculpting for fine artists. It's just a huge open sandbox of creative tools that allow you to basically imagine anything. And for that, like I really thank Pixelogic, and in the learning department, I really thank the full community of ZBrush users for being such an open book on how to do things and how to share and like create things. Um, but yeah, ZBrush to me is an everyday app, and I can't imagine not having it in my arsenal of tools. And I thank you again, Pixelogic.